Good day everyone, we are Group 10 and we're going to explain aquatic ecosystem. Aquatic ecosystem. An aquatic ecosystem is an ecosystem in body of water. They are constructed with terrestrial ecosystem, which are those found in land, communities of organisms that are depends on each other on their environment, live in aquatic ecosystems. Aquatic ecosystem. An aquatic ecosystem is a community of organisms that lives extract within the particular environment. In an aquatic ecosystem, that environment is water and all the plants and animals in the system lives on or around that water. The specific settings and types of water such as a freshwater, lakes, saltwater marsh determines which animals and plants live in there. What is an aquatic ecosystem? Or what is in an aquatic ecosystem? Aquatic ecosystem includes oceans, lakes, rivers, streams, estuaries, and wetlands. Within this aquatic ecosystem, living things are dependent on water for survival, such as fish, plants, and microorganisms. These ecosystems are very fragile and can be easily distributed by populations. There are several different types of aquatic zones, which include the marine and saltwater ecosystems, as well freshwater ecosystems like rivers, lakes, streams. Protecting the natural habitat is critical as human rely aquatic ecosystem for foods, recreation, fresh drinking water.
Good day everyone, and my topic is about the saltwater ecosystem, or also known as marine ecosystem. Pag sinabi natin saltwater ecosystem, ito yung from the keyword na salt, ito yung mga aquatic ecosystem na yung tubig niya ay may mga amount of dissolved salts or tubig alat. Example is dagat or karagatan. At they are home to an array of non-living components like phytoplankton and jellyfish to seaweed and sand. Ngayon naman, ito yung mga types of saltwater ecosystem. The estuary is a coastal zone where oceans meets river. Ito yung sinasabi nating pinaka-productive na places sa buong mundo. Kasi sinusuportahan nito yung madaming klase ng life. Tsaka dito ginagawa yung mga human communities or activities like fishing, shipping, or transportation. Tsaka isama na natin yung beach, yung paliligo sa dagat, ganun. Dito yung ginagawa sa estuary. Kasi ito yung mga coastal areas or coastal zone. Next one is coral reefs. A bit farther out into the tropical sea are coral reefs. Eupotic zone ecosystem built from the exoskeleton secreted by coral polyps. Pag sinabi natin coral reefs, gawa siya sa tinatawag nating exoskeleton. This exoskeleton form complex structures that shelter many different organisms. So madaming iba't ibang organisms na bumubuo doon sa exoskeleton na nagiging resulta, nakakabuo siya ng tinatawag nating coral reefs. Coral reefs are extremely diverse ecosystem that hosts sponges, crustaceans, mollusks, fish, turtles, sharks, dolphins, and many more creatures. Kaya yung coral reefs, pinapahalagahan talaga siya ng gobyerno kasi madaming mga organisms, mga creatures na nakatira doon. Kumbaga, pinapangalagaan ng gobyerno parang ayaw masira, ganon, kasi yun nga, madami mga creatures na nakatira. And last one is the open ocean. Pag sinabi nating open ocean, ito yung pinaka ano na siya, kalawakan ng karagatan, kasi dito na natin makikita yung depth of the ocean, yung mga kalaliman na siya ng karagatan. The aquatic zone, the ecosystem receives plenty of light and oxygen, is fairly warm, and supports many photosynthetic organisms. And many of the organisms that we associate with marine ecosystem, dito natin makikita yung mga whales, yung mga dolphins, yung mga octopus, tsaka sharks, ay dun sila nakatira sa open ocean. And that is the end of my report, and thank you po.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Aldrin Sabado from Architecture 2B. After Jonathan discussed about salt water, I'm comfortable to discuss the other classifications of aquatic ecosystems, which is freshwater. So what is freshwater? An ecosystem characterized by salt content, making a suitable environment for various plants and animals, and known as a freshwater ecosystem. Freshwater resources vary in terms of size from very small to large. In other terms, freshwater is a previous resource on the Earth's surface. It is also home to many diverse fish, plant, and crustacean species. The types of habitats that freshwater ecosystems provides consist of lakes, rivers, ponds, wetlands, streams, and springs. Lakes, river, ponds, wetland, and spring. At isa sa pinakamalaking katanungan about freshwaters, nasabi rito, people also ask if a freshwater lake or other terms of freshwater resources are still drinkable. Alam naman natin na ang tubig ay isa sa pinaka-important para sa ating pamumuhay. Maybe sa ating pinagkakaabalahan. Pero, water in a stream, river, or lake may look clean. Yes, I agree with that. But it can still be filled with bacteria, viruses, and parasites that can result in waterborne diseases such as cryptosporidiosis or cardiasis. Sinasabi rito na iba pa rin talaga ang trusted natin pagdating sa mga inuming tubig, tulad ng mga mineral water na ginagamitan na ng iba't ibang uri ng system na ikakabuti ng ating health assurance. Most of the Earth's surface, around 70%, and covered with water. Yes, napakalaki ng percent ng anyong tubig ang meron sa ating planeta. But not all the water is fresh water. Only 3.5% is a fresh water. And the rest, 96.5% is salt water in the form of oceans. Diba? Napakalaki talaga ng pagitan ng salt water pagdating sa fresh water. Tulad ng mga ibang species like animals and plants, ay hindi talaga nila na-absorb ang living cycle pagdating sa saltwater ecosystem. Dahil ang kanilang katawan ay naangkop lamang sa mababang asin na tubig. And hindi tulad ng mga saltwater species, tulad ng mga pagkain dagat, na talaga namang naangkop sa matataas na asin ng tubig.